Hi, I'm Dennis. In this video, I'll take you through how to use the text-to-speech feature in CapCut for macOS. Let's take a look. So in CapCut, I have a sample video over here of a giraffe. So I'm going to drag this onto my timeline, just like that. This video has no audio, just as it displayed unrecognized track waveform. That means it has no audio. So we're going to add text here that will be converted to speech, which will be the audio for this video. Next, what you want to do is head over to the text section, and we want to drag the default text onto the timeline. We're going to delete this over here and type "This is a giraffe," just like that. Maybe we'll try and customize it a bit. On the panel on the right under the text section, there are a couple of customizations that you can do to the text. You can use some preset styles that are available in CapCut by default. These are down here. So depending on however you want to present the text, we'll choose a random text style. Yeah, we can go with that. I think that works. Sorry about that. Yeah, that works. Once you've typed the text, on the far right of the right panel, there's an option that is labeled text to speech. So we click on that, and these are different voices. You can choose whichever suits your style, or rather whichever suits your video the best. I like going with the charming female voice. You can listen to it as it plays. It's a short clip.
This is a giraffe.
Yeah, we can listen to that again.
This is a giraffe.
Yeah, we can do that. So if you like the voice, you can just click on start reading. We wait for it to apply, and once we play this again,
this is a giraffe.
Yep. So the audio appears as a new item on the timeline under the audio section. You can move this around depending on where you'd like it to appear, and you can also adjust the speed, but that will adjust the pitch. And you can also customize the audio depending on your likes using voice effects and all that. So basically that's how you use the text-to-speech feature in CapCut for macOS. If you like this video, kindly leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Till the next one, cheers.